What is the state of the market in real estate in San Diego in the summer of 2023? I'm Tom Lux of the Whissle Realty Group, and if you've ever listened to my market updates in the past, you'll know that I always look at not only the data, but I tell you the story behind the data. Now the media, they're going to tell you the data, but they're not going to go into the why. Another thing that I love to do is I look at the current indicators. Media, they tend to look at the lagging indicators, and unfortunately that puts the information they're giving you about 2 to 3 months behind. For example, one leading indicator right now is that the number of homes coming on the market right now compared to a year ago, that's down 41.6%. That's a substantial number. So fewer homes are coming on the market. Another thing is the number of homes that are coming off the market. These are pending sales. Those are down about 8.2%, not a big number. So what we are seeing in this market is a shrinking inventory of homes, a massive shrinking inventory of homes. In fact, the number of homes that are currently on the market is down about 26%. So again, what we're seeing is a massive shrinking of homes in San Diego. Now, the media likes to throw out this one stat, is that the average price of a home in San Diego is up 1.8% compared to a year ago. Well, that's true, but it really doesn't tell the story. Consider this. From June to January of last year, home prices fell off the cliff. They were down 15%. Then from January to June of this year, they skyrocketed. They're up 17.8%. So we've not only gained what we lost, we're way ahead of the game overall. The news is just going to tell you that, the market's kind of flat. It's gone up about 1.8%. My job is to give you the real story, because right now the market is booming. Home values are increasing between 2 and 3% a month. Try keeping up with that. So if you're just listening to the news, you might be a little misinformed to think that the market is just kind of flat, kind of stable. But in reality, it's hustling. Home prices are going up 2 to 3% a month. Buyer activity is up, multiple offers are up. So unless you have this information with you and you enter this market, you might find it a little challenging. So I would love to sit down and talk with you about how to navigate this market, because I do it every day. This is what I do for a living. So feel free to call or text the number below. I'll put you together. We can sit down and talk about, the buying process. And even if you're thinking of selling a home, it might be the right time. I can help you with a strategy, but I'll tell you if it is or not. Please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Tom Lux of Whissle Realty.